Saudi target in the Yemen in response to the group's missile launch at the Israel's Ben Gurion airport the previous day. Also, the IDF said that it attacked sites as it claimed to serve as the central supply source to the Houthis in the Hudaydah port as well as the Bajal cement factory east of the city of the Hudaydah. Also, the following Sunday airport strike, the Houthis said that they would impose a comprehensive and aerial blockade on the Israel by targeting the airports in response to the Israel's plan to expand the operations in Gaza. Also, the Iran-backed group of the said 21 people that were injured in the Monday's attack and the describing of the joint raid of the United States and Israeli aggression. The United States denied the involvement. Also, the IDF said that its Monday strike were conducted precisely with the measures taken to mitigate harm to vessels docked at the port. It also claimed the Bajal factory functioned as a significant economic resource and was used by the group to construct tunnels and infrastructure, while the port sites were used for the transfer of the Iranian weapons. The port is the second largest in the Red Sea after Aden and is the entry point of the 80% of the Yemen's food import. Multiple residents told Reuters news agency that more than 10 strikes targeted the Hudaydah port and the Al Salakha and the Al Hawak areas in the city, while the 4 more targeted areas were the cement factory. Also, a spokesperson from the Houthi Iran Health Ministry, that is Anis, also said at least 21 people were injured in the attack. The Houthis blamed the United States and Israel jointly for the attack. Also, a US defense official told the AFP news channel that the forces did not participate in the Israeli strike on the Yemen today. Also, the missile fired today and that towards the Ben Gurion airport near the Tel Aviv on the Sunday morning landed next to the access road near the main terminal. 4 people were injured by the blast, with other 2 injured on the way to the shelter, Israeli emergency services have said. Benjamin Netanyahu, the Israel's prime minister, threatened the retaliation, saying that we attacked in the past, we will attack in the future. Iran said that the airport attack was independent decision by the Yemeni group. Also, the US has been launching airstrike against the Houthi targets in the Yemen. Former US President, that is Joe Biden administration, approved the US strikes on the Houthis, which have continued under the Donald Trump, the current president.